In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Relevance AI and build a new tool or agent workflow for YouTube content repurposing. We'll create a simple workflow that takes a YouTube video link, pulls the transcript, and then uses an AI prompt to turn that transcript into useful content outputs like title ideas, a summary, and community posts. This is a great way to speed up content creation and make more use of videos you already have. Start by logging into your Relevance AI account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the area where you can create a new tool or agent workflow. The exact layout may vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, but you're looking for the option to start a new workflow from scratch. Open that and begin with a blank setup so you can control each step yourself. Next, add a tool step for YouTube transcript extraction. This step is what will read the video and pull in the spoken content as text. When you add the tool, make sure it's configured to accept a YouTube URL as the input. That way, when you run the workflow later, you can simply paste in a video link and let the tool handle the transcript retrieval automatically. If the platform asks you to map inputs or define a variable, keep it simple and make sure the YouTube URL is clearly connected to this transcript tool. After that, chain an LLM prompt step to the transcript output. In this step, you'll instruct the language model to analyze the transcript and generate specific repurposing assets. Use a prompt that tells the model to analyze the transcript and output title ideas, a summary, and community posts. The important part here is making sure the prompt is connected to the transcript from the previous step, so the AI is working from the actual video content and not an empty input. If there's an option to structure the output clearly, that can make the final result easier to review and reuse. Once both steps are connected, run the workflow by pasting in any YouTube URL. The workflow should first extract the transcript, then pass that text into the AI prompt, and finally generate a complete set of repurposing outputs. You should receive title ideas that can help with video packaging, a summary that captures the core message, and community posts that can be used for audience engagement. That's the full setup. With this workflow in place, you can turn a single YouTube video into multiple content assets in just one run, saving time and making your content process much more efficient.